guys, Melanie. As you can tell by the thumbnail and my difference in setup, actually it's not really that surprising because I changed my setup for pretty much like every video, which is kind of bad, but I changed my room around a lot, and today I decided to bring you guys along with me and show you guys how I decided to redecorate my room. I just want to say that it's not like a huge deal for me to do this, just because I kind of like redecorating my room for me is just like taking stuff from other parts of my house and like DIYing things, I guess. So it was pretty simple. It wasn't that much work, but it does give it a different look. It keeps me busy. I really like room decor and stuff like that. I did a couple like DIYs and stuff to make it interesting. So hopefully this video inspires you a little if you're looking into some room inspo and stuff like that. So other than that, let's get into this little room DIY makeover. Not sure what it's called, but let's get into the video. Hey guys, so right now what I'm working on is I have this like 9 cube thing, and it has these little bins that go in it, but as you can see these are all black, and I want my room to be just a little bit brighter, and I don't know, I just wanted to spruce it up a little. So basically what I'm gonna do is I bought this fabric today, and what I'm gonna do is, this is the front side, but I'm just gonna cover the back side only and then put it in backwards so that it's still like interchangeable. If I decide I want it to be black again, I can just switch it to the front. I'm just gonna cut this fabric up. It should be pretty simple. Some like liquid stitch and just glue it down on here. So that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. Firstly, I made sure to iron all these wrinkles out just so that there was no creases or lines. Then I just lined it up against my bin and drew little dots so that I knew how big I needed each piece of fabric to be. And I just cut out the exact amount that I needed for, I think I did 5 boxes, and so I cut out all 5 squares at once. I also made sure to leave a little extra room just so that I could make the seams or like hems so that it looked a little cleaner. Once I had my cutout fabric ready, then I just took my liquid stitch and squirted some of that around the rim of the box where I was going to be putting it, and then I used a paintbrush just to thin the liquid stitch out a little bit. Then I just carefully placed the fabric on the center, pressed it down, and then flipped it over, and I cut little boxes on the sides just so that I could fold over the edges easier. Then I just used the liquid stitch and the paintbrush and pretty much the same technique to apply some of the glue, thin it out, and then fold it over. And then once you complete that with all 4 sides, you're done with the box, and then I just repeated that with all 5 of my boxes. Okay, so here's my room currently. This is all messy because that's what was in my bins before I like took it all out. I'm also gonna like sort through it because I think I have too much stuff. The rest of my room is pretty plain, and I just kind of want to like redecorate some stuff, clean it up a little bit. I think I'm just gonna start off by putting those bins back in, and then after I do that, I'll probably move some stuff around. Don't hate me, I think I'm gonna move my bed again. So this is what the finished 9 cube looks like without the black boxes and with the new ones, and I really like it. It really brightens it up. As you can tell, I really like white. You know, my whole room is white. Now I'm gonna go just clean up a few more things, and then we're gonna get to like actually decorating, which is the fun part. Okay, after much consideration and this terrible angle, that's a little better. After much consideration, I've decided I'm going to be moving my bed. Not that far this time because I'm feeling a little bit weak, but I'm just gonna scoot it over so it's right in front of this window. So enjoy watching this montage of me struggling to move my bed. I don't really know where I'm gonna move the rest of my stuff, so actually I think I'm gonna keep my desk where it is. My desk is underneath. You're sitting on my desk right now. I'm gonna keep that there. Well, we will figure that out when the time comes, I suppose. know tapestries are kind of out, but I was kind of feeling this one, so I ordered this one off of Etsy. I don't know if that's weird, but I'm gonna put it up, like, I'm gonna hang it up right there, covering my window. Hopefully it doesn't look weird because I don't have enough wall space, so... So that's that. I think I'm fine with it, honestly. I'm gonna open my blind so there's a little more light in here. No way. And now, what should I do? I'm gonna move my 9 cube from over here. It's just chilling over there. Okay, for the most part, I think I'm done with like the cleaning stuff. I also have this Sherpa blanket that I got from Amazon, so I'm just gonna throw that on my bed. So now for the fun stuff, which is like the decorating, I think I'm gonna start off with over here. I'm gonna add like these vine things I've had, but I haven't really been using, so I'm gonna put those back up. Guys, look at me being all handy and stuff.
So you can't really tell, but basically what I did to hang up these vines was I just literally used Scotch tape, which I don't know how secure that is, but it worked fine. So basically I used the tape to just tape it up and hang it on my already hung string lights.
So I was gonna hang lights up with this, but I'm a little bit lazy and there's already lights in my room, so I think I'm just gonna like leave it and call it good.
And then once again, I used more Scotch tape to hang up these flowers that I used from my previous room decoration, and I just taped those onto the vine.
Ew, the angle again. Okay, so I only have a couple things left. I think I'm gonna hang these fairy lights around the tapestry, and then I'm also gonna decorate this little corner because it's looking a little empty. So let's do the tapestry first. Alright, now we're on to the very last part of my room, and it's just this corner and it's very empty. So I'm probably just gonna hang up, like, I kind of use the same things and then I just like move them around my room and stuff. This thing, which I made a while ago, I don't remember if I made a DIY. If you guys want one, I can totally do that. I'll probably put some cute pics on there. These are the other little fun things I like to display. I have a Polaroid camera. Usually they're up on the shelves, but I don't want to put the shelves up because that requires tools, and I've already exhausted my tool-iness today. I have a book that I've never read, but I thought it looked cute. I have a clock, which I should actually put up because, you know, that might actually be helpful.
Here you can see me hanging up this frame with a literal push pin because apparently I don't care about stability whatsoever. And then here you can see me rearranging the same 3 items into 20 different forms because also I don't know how room decor works, so yeah, there's that. I used to put calendars and stuff up on this frame, but then I became too lazy to make calendars, so I basically used it as my own little scrapbook surface and put up old pictures and memories and stuff like that into a little collage there. And then I also put some little Polaroids along my wall.
Okay guys, now like 4 hours later, just kidding, that was a little dramatic. like 2 hours later, I have finished redecorating my room. So here is the reveal. As you can see, I just added like a lot of stuff because it was pretty much plain white before and I just wanted it to be a little bit more exciting. So here's what we got. I really like that you can see the leaves and stuff back here because that way there's just more color when I show like my outfit photos and stuff. It'll look a little more like this, except my outfit will be better. This is the tapestry. I don't know how long that's gonna be up. I usually get sick of tapestries really quick, but the good thing about that is you can take it down in like 2 seconds, so that's cool. I just tied it up on my little curtain thing. Over here, I just added some stuff. Over here, I just threw those things there. I don't know if I'm gonna keep them. I just kind of needed space. Then over here, this is what my 9 cube looks like. I really, really like it. It's a lot brighter, good for spring and stuff. And then I have the vines behind this mirror. I added a new mirror and it's kind of like another vanity. And then over here, I have the open space where I can watch like my shows and stuff on my projector. And then I added more vines behind this little thing. And these ones have flowers on them, which I think is also a nice little touch. And so yeah, that's it. Real cute. Okay guys, and that was it for my little room makeover. It was pretty plain before, so I just decided to spruce it up a little and add some decorations. Fun stuff for like the spring, I guess. I don't know. I think I just get bored of my room really easily. I get a lot of questions on my room because I post a lot of photos of it on like my Instagram and stuff like that. So hopefully this video gave you guys some inspiration and was helpful in some sort of ways. If you guys like room inspiration, decoration videos like this, make sure to let me know and I'll be sure to do more similar one. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.
I know it's getting late now, babe.